Worried about the Service Shell Configuration Module DLL causing further system corruption? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Here is the verified path to a healthy Windows installation. Before the technical guide for Service Shell Configuration Module, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the Service Shell Configuration Module, frequently associated with Localized System Optimizer or Localized Configuration Utilities. It manages the background localized polling of system settings. Because it modifies the registry, it is a high-risk file for antivirus heuristics. If missing, the parent app will report a module load failure. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Because Service Shell Configuration Module DLL is tied to the localized service config logic runtime inside a specific application standard, Windows fixes will not help, and you must use the official installer for your primary program to restore the file. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Service Shell Configuration Module file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Please use caution. Replacing Service Shell Configuration Module DLL manually often requires administrative permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your PC open to external attacks. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. If registry clutter or Service Shell Configuration Module inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Service Shell Configuration Module functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.